The Hyundai Santa Fe key fob from 2008 to 2012 uses a CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool for replacement. Tools needed: a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tools. First, gently insert the tool into the seam along the edge of the fob. Carefully twist to separate the two halves. The case may be snapped or glued tightly, so be patient. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Replace with a new CR2032 battery, positive side up. If corroded, clean the contacts with rubbing alcohol. Finally, snap the case back together firmly, without excessive force. If your remote isn't working after replacing the battery, first double-check that the battery is correctly installed with the correct polarity. If that's not the issue, water damage might be the cause, especially in humid climates. Try drying the internals thoroughly. If it still doesn't work, reprogramming the key fob might be necessary. Some users have had success cycling the ignition. If these steps don't resolve the problem, consider using an OBD2 scanner to check for key fob communication errors. As a last resort, a dealership reprogramming might be required. These steps should help resolve most remote issues after battery replacement.